Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'm gonna do an out-of-the-box pick of this Stabilit A40. I have done the A50, this one. It's an aluminum body. It's not a bad log, it's not a good log, but it's cool to pick. It's fun. So I guess it's about yellow belt. Maybe if I can get it in a good time, I will put it in for the speed picking. But let's try to open it first, alright? So you can see it's a 40mm. That's why it's A40, A40-42. And yeah, so it's German log. It's produced in Mannheim, Germany. So let's open up this baby. This one is open now. It's pretty light. Let me just throw that away. And let's get the key out of here. Try it out. It looks to be 5 pins. Shouldn't be too hard, we will see. It's a nice snap. It's very lightweight because it's aluminum again. Let's put it in a vise. So it's the Stabilit A40. Let's get a. Let me see what I can use for picking. It should be good. So I can use top of the keyway with some. Alright, so let's try it. Gotta click on 2, click on 1, and we open. So it's about 3 pins. I guess I was on 4. I got 2, 1, 4, because these ones I probably won't need. So we'll see. Let's try it again. Let's give it another try. Okay, we gotta click on 1. We gotta click on 2. Gonna skip. No, it is 3. Okay, so it is a nice looking log, but it's not a good log. Now let's do it for speed picking. See if we can get a decent time. That sucked. It wasn't a good time. Always remember, use the key before you attempt the speed picking and close the shackle. And make the shackle visible. Time always starts when you enter the keyway. And now, of course, I got problems with this lock. Now let me just try it again. I'm not very happy with this, how I picked it right now. I can improve this for sure. Sorry. So I'm gonna do this one. Okay. I'm stuck. Okay. 1. Should be a good time. Alright, we use the key. Time starts when the pick enters the keyway. Close shackle. And time stops when the shackle starts moving. Or if you cannot see the shackle, which is bad for you, then 90 degrees turn off the thingy here. Alright, so that was slow. Let's give it another try. I believe I can be faster. That was very bad. Try something different from the tensioning. I'm not happy right now. Yeah, I know I'm already in. Just need to try something. I want to know this lock better. So I'm gonna go to 3 first. And I'm gonna go to... Okay. You don't need to have the shackle pop. Just need to show that it turns. Alright, so you can hold it. Because remember, shackle needs to be closed. Get stuck. Damn it. Always when you want to go fast, you have problems. Can I? No, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Get stuck. Okay, let's do it one more time with the old one and then we're done for today with this vlog. Alright, so okay, one more time. Yeah, we keep the last time, that's fine. Alright, that was a Stabilit A40-42. 42 is probably the shackle size. Nice lock, but not very secure. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.